My question is, how did you choose the field of agriculture, and what motivated you to become a Waqfe Zindagi?
Oh, very difficult question. Acha, what are you doing?
I just finished my third year of college, university.
What are you studying?
I'm majoring in biology to become a dentist, inshallah.
It's a dentist, mashallah. You see, from the very childhood, I had a keen interest in agriculture. So I wanted to go into the field of agriculture, but unfortunately I could not. But later on, after graduating with economics, and my father also asked me that if possible, you can go to agriculture university. And one thing is simply that there I had better opportunity to get admission than any other university. That was the simplest way, and because of my interest as well. So I got admission in agricultural economics, or in the field of cooperation and credit. So there you have to deal with farmers and all these things. So there are some courses with regards to practical agriculture, that is agronomy and arable farming. And if you are outsider or you join the university after graduation, then you have to complete some deficiency courses. Since I knew agriculture and I had a keen interest from the very beginning, I used to go with my father to our family farm. So I did those deficiency courses with good results, and later on completed my degree in cooperation and credit as well. That was the main thing which caused me to go to the agriculture university and do agriculture. Second question is that what motivated me to become a Waqfe Zindagi. From the very childhood, I wanted to be Waqfe Zindagi because once I heard my father and one of my uncle talking that unfortunately very few family members of the Promised Messiah Islam are going to join Waqfe Zindagi. So that engraved in my heart. But I didn't want that I do Waqf without any qualification. So when I joined agriculture university, then at that time I promised that if I get good grades, A grade, then I will do Waqf. I prayed to Allah Ta'ala that if you think that I am capable of doing Waqf, then please give me good grades. You know, as far as my own self is concerned, I am nothing. So I don't know how, but fortunately I had A grade. And when I had that grade, I was obliged to apply for Waqfe Zindagi. I wrote a letter to Khalifa that now since I have completed my MSc degree and with good grades, I want to do Waqf. And he accepted. And later on, he asked me to go to Africa. And that is the whole story. Right? The shortcut of it. There are so many other things, but shortcut of it. Okay?